I've got a phone with 6 cameras. Would you like to take a look at my
More than anything.
Fire phone?
Oh, that?
It says Amazon on the back. It's a big ad for Amazon. This is the Fire phone. Amazon's selling this for $200 with a 2-year commitment to AT&T. It's AT&T only. That's one of the negatives on this. It doesn't come from any other carrier. It's a specially redesigned version of Android. They call it Fire OS 3.5. Rated Amazon, obviously. That's definitely a pro. It's a nice phone. It's a Snapdragon 800, not the state of the art, but pretty fast quad core. It has these 4 corner cameras, which give you a dynamic perspective, but nothing else really uses them. I'm hoping Amazon comes up with something else for those cameras. It's got a decent back camera, but in the negatives, it's just really too small of an app ecosystem, too oddball of an interface. I can't really recommend it. Buy an Android phone. There's not enough different and new here to make this desirable. I'm sorry to say, Amazon, I'm gonna have to give you a do not buy on the Amazon Fire phone. And now I'm gonna try to find somebody who'll take it off me. The other negative, of course, AT&T only. That's gonna limit it for a lot of people.